Hey there, Leslie here. Well, today we're going to talk about a statement. Declare your Independence Day. Now, as we know, we all just celebrated July 4th, but I'm talking about Independence Day for you. Not when you land your first legal job, but when a shift happens and believing that you can do this. And so let's talk about a little story about me closing my plant nursery and then wondering, and my daughters were both 13 and 15, and wondering what I was going to do to earn money to put my oldest one through college and my youngest one as well. And so I went to a couple agencies and held, probably 3 temp jobs and trying to decide what, I was offered a job at 2 different places. Then I applied. I didn't want to work there. I applied for a job at a corporation. I came in second, and they actually called me and were so sweet. And then that person didn't work out for them that they hired. They called me to come in and come on board. And so I did that. I have to tell you that was the worst job I've ever had in my life. And so it gave me a little bit of time to think about what do I want to do? I certainly don't want to be here. And I started thinking about my aunties who were both legal secretaries, and I thought I could build a career and make a decent salary doing that. I had to travel 40 miles one way to go to work every day. So it had to eventually pay well. It did not in the beginning. So I hired on eventually, but I'll tell you what happened. I went to an agency and the agent told me she couldn't place me. Why? Because I didn't have experience. That day, I was determined, and that's my Independence Day. That day I was determined to not have anybody stop me from going forward. I applied to a law firm and I got on as a legal secretary, legal receptionist. Yes, I was making a low salary. I don't go into specifics on salaries ever because every place is different. But that was the beginning of then working for an attorney who worked 3 or 4 trials. We worked them together. What a great learning experience that I could take because I wrote down everything I was learning. I could then talk to attorneys in interviews as I go into the next job saying, this is what I know how to do. See, this is why I tell you, you have to learn to do this. So go to paralegalcoffeetalk.com, look under the Paralegal Resource Hub tab, and download the playbook today.